Good evening, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Apiluddin Ahmed. So today also we'll discuss some important questions and hope this lecture will be also helpful for all of you. The important question is there. Here show that function f is from R to R given by this way: f of x is equal to ax plus b, and where a and b belongs to R and a is not equal to 0 is a bijective function. Yes. That means this function is also from the set of real number to real number. Yes, this function is from the set of real number to real number, and we need to verify this function is bijective. That means we need to show this function is on as well as on. So for on, what we do here, guys, so for on just you need to check, you need to consider here two elements x1 and x2, and such that their images, yes, and such that their images are equal. Yes, suppose we consider these images are equal, and we need to verify whether they are equal or not. To check like this way: x1 comma x2 belongs to R. This R means here domain. Yes, so we consider two elements in the domain such that their images, that means this f of x1 equal to f of x2. Now we need to verify this x1 is equal to x2 or not. Yes, so you put the value of f of x1. You see the definition of function. F of x is nothing, ax plus b. That means this will be a of x1 plus of b, and what will be f of x2? This will be 2 plus of b. So you see this b will be cancelled. So from here a of x1 equal to a of x2 will be there, and this a also will be cancelled. Why? Because a is our non-zero. That means any two non-zero number we can cancel here. So from here what we get here, x1 equal to x2. Function is 1. Now come for 1 to what we do here, just you consider any elements in this set y, in this set, and suppose we consider f of x equal to y, then we need to verify whether this x in this domain or not. Yes, that means just we consider any arbitrary elements in the codomain, that f of x is equal to that element, and now we need to verify whether this x in this codomain set or not. That means codomain, yes, codomain, and such that here f of x equal to y. So now you put the value of f of x. This will be ax plus b equal to y. So from here what will be x here? You see this will be y minus of b, and from this on x will be y minus of b by a. Now you check whether this is belongs to this set domain or not. You see this is clearly belongs to R. That means this is belongs to R for all y belongs to this real number set codomain. You see, for any real values of y, this will be also real. That means this will be also this domain set. And here you see a is not equal to 0, and this condition is given in our question here. You see a is not equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0, then this will be undefined, but this is given a is not equal to 0, and here you see for a not equal to 0, and for any y belongs to real value or y belongs to this R, then this y minus b by a also will be a real number. That means this x also will be here. That means what we can say here, f is 1, 2. So hence this function is on as well as 1, 2. So this function is 1 and plus 1, 2 here. So what we can say, this function is kya hai? Bijective. So this is in here. Let f is a function from this set to this set. Yes, and g is a function from this set to this set, and they define this way: f is this one, f is this one, and g is this one. And we need to write g composite of f. Yes, you see f is a function from here 1, 3, 4, 2 1 to 5, and z is a function from here 1 to 5 to 1 and 3. Yes, and clearly you see here, if we consider this is A, this is B, this will be B, this will be C. Clearly Z composite F will be a function from this set to this set. Yes, do you know this thing? Okay, so now we need to find Z composite F. That means Z composite F of 1 chahiye, 2, 3 chahiye and 4 chahiye. Yes, so we need to find that value. And you also you see here the definition of this function f of f here. So f में क्या क्या है, 1 2 का साथ है, 3 5 का साथ है, 4 1 का साथ है. That means from this function what we can get here, what we can write, f of 1 is 2, f of 3 is our 5, and f of 4 is our 1 according to this function. Yes, this is given, so we get this value. And similarly here you see z is our this function. Yes, so what will be the z of 1 here, this is 3 क्योंकि 1 3 का साथ है and 2 3 का साथ है. That means z of 2 will be here 3 and z of 5 is equal to 1. Yes, 5 equal to 1. So this is composite f of 1, क्योंकि z composite f function यहाँ से यहाँ तरफ जाता है तो z composite f of 1 चाहिए and z composite f of कितना चाहिए 3 and z composite f of कितना चाहिए 4. So we need these values only. So if we can find this value, then we can easily write z composite f. Yes, so you see what will be z composite f of 1, this will be z of f of 1. So now we see what is the value of f of 1. F of 1 is nothing, 2 here, so you put here 2, so z of 2 will be there. So what is the value of z of 2? You see z में 2 डालने से कितना आ जाता है, 3 हो जाता है. So this value will be 3. Yes, that means z composite f में ना क्या क्या रहेगा, जब 1 देने से कितना रहेगा, 3 दे देगा, क्योंकि 1 का इमेज कितना होगा, 3 हो जाएगा. Similarly you find z composite f of 3, that means this will be z of f of 3. So what is f of 3 here? You see f of 3 is 5, so you put here this 5. So z of 5 will be here. So what is the value of z of 5? You see z of 5 means here 1, so you put here 1. So this will be 1. That means 3 का इमेज कितना हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा. So 3 का इमेज कितना होगा, 1. That means 3, 1 will be here. Similarly you find z composite of 4. That means z of f of 4 will be here. So what will be f of 4? What is the value of f of 4 here? F of 4 is 1 here, so you put here 1. So now what is the value of g1? G1 is 3. Yes, g1 is 3. So g1 is 3, that means this will be 3. That means the image of 4 will be here 3 under this z composite f. Yes, so 4 का कितना होगा, 3 हो जाएगा. So this is the composite f. So this way we can important question here, f is a function from R to R. Define this way, f of x is equal to twice x minus 7 by 4 is invertible. This function is invertible, guys. This is given and we need the inverse of this function. Yes, that means the function f is from R to R. F is a function from R to R and they define this way. If we put here x, you will get here twice of x minus 7 by 4 and we need f inverse here. Yes, so what will be the case? If we choose here any elements in this codomain and since the function is invertible, that means there exists an elements here x such that f of x equal to this y will be there, because this function is 1 on as well as 1 2. Yes, so for this case what we do, simply just you write let y belongs to this codomain. Yes, codomain, y belongs to this codomain R such that f of x equal to y. Yes, and here from here what we get here, guys, you see this f of x is equal to y. So from here what we get, f inverse of y will be here x. Yes, f inverse y will be x here. Yes, now you put here the value of f of x here. So what is the f of x here? This is twice x minus of 7 by 4 and this is equal to y. So you find the value of x here. So twice x minus 7 will be 4 of y. So from here twice x will be 4 of y plus of 7. So from here x will be 4 of y plus. What is x here? X is nothing, f inverse y. So if we put here x equal to f inverse y, then this will be 4 of y, yes, plus of 7 by 2. So this is the structure of, means if we put here f inverse of x here, if we put here x, what we get here? 4 of, this will be 4 of x plus 7 by 2. देखो इसमें y में x डालने से कितना होगा? 4 of x plus 7 by 2 हो जाएगा. So this is the required values of f inverse of x. So this is the important questions is there. They consider f is a function from R to R and they define this way: f of x is equal to this one, 3 minus of x cube and whole to the power 1 by 3. Then we need the value of f composite of f. Yes, we need this value. So first of all you remember this function f of x equal to here 3 minus of x cube power of 1 by 3. That means जो हम लोग इसमें डालेगा ना, इनपुट होगा, उसको क्या करेगा? देखो 3 माइनस वही को क्यूब कर देता है और उसका होल पावर क्या हो जाता है? 1 by 3. Yes, so now you find the value of f composite f of x. So now according to the definition of composite of two function, this will be f of x. Yes, so now you put the value of f of x. F of x is our this one, so you put this one, 3 minus of x cube power of 1 by 3. Yes, now you see f का अंदर में इसको डाल दिया और ये डालने से according to what this format क्या होगा? 3 माइनस जो डाला है, yes, उसका क्या करेगा? उसका क्यूब बना देगा, उसका क्यूब बना देगा और पूरा को क्या करेगा? 1 by 3 कर देगा. ठीक है ना, जो डाला है उसको क्या कर देते हैं? 3 माइनस वही को क्यूब बना देते हैं और 3 हो जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ यू सी, देखो इसमें 3 है और ये 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ में कितना रहेगा? देखो 3 माइनस ऑफ 3, यस, 3 माइनस ऑफ 3 प्लस ऑफ x cube power of 1 by 3 will be there. Now this minus 3 plus 3 also will be cancelled, so x cube power of 1 by 3 will be there, so 3 will cancel, so this x will be the result. Yes, so this x will be the required value of this f composite f of x. So my dear AHSEC final year student, we are going to start a quick revision classes for 30 days. Yes. In these classes we'll discuss the previous 15 years questions paper. Yes, and also we'll discuss the most important questions, yes, for upcoming final exam. Yes, classes will be start from 25th of this month and the registration is going on. So if you are interested, then you are asked to complete your registration by using this link, or you may complete your registration by through this WhatsApp number also. Yes, thank you.